Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it is unique in itself because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, easy to make, designer style, stylish and quite attractive alphabet embroidery design patterns, and all of these alphabet embroidery patterns are absolutely favorable for making face mask designs. Friends, in the initial part of our video we have seen that very beautiful initial names of alphabetical for making the masks, how they would look when the whole embroidery pattern with an initial letter or with an alphabet embroidered on the mask would be written or would look like. But now in the later part of our video I am giving you a closer view of the initial letters or the alphabets, different alphabets. We will discuss different style patterns, very easy embroidery stitches, very pretty and beautiful design patterns ranging from A to Z, all the alphabets. We will also see and discuss, and we will analyze the beauty and the creativity of these alphabets, and we will also get our video to another level, and we will get very creative and amazing style ideas when we will see smaller case letters ranging from A to Z. So the video contains different type of 100 plus very creative, very beautiful, artistic and stylish designs, but all you have to do is be patient. Kindly watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish and trendy patterns of alphabet embroidery ideas. So friends, we will discuss the uses, the benefits, the significance, the ideas and how you can embroider these patterns in details. But before that, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel, because on my channel you can get all sorts of very beautiful, creative and artistic style design patterns. Friends, the beauty of this video is that in this video you will not only see very beautiful and pretty design patterns of one pattern of embroidery on an alphabet, but you will see different type of stitches in different color combinations, in different patterns. Some of them are nature inspired with some sort of different shades of greenery inspired. Some of them are very decent and delicate like the blue color, and some sort of multicolor, some decent and delicate light multicolor combinations, some more royal and more creative dark multicolor combination for alphabetical orders, and similar in the case of all the above designs that we are going to see in the later part of our video. Friends, but the beauty and the creativity does not only remains limited to the scope of hand embroidery designs on your face masks only. No, you can make these embroidery patterns on a wide variety of stuffed things, and you can gift it to your loved ones by making an embroidery pattern of the first letter of their name, the alphabet with which their name starts, and give it to your friend, to your colleagues, to your cousins as a gift on their birthdays or some special events or some occasions, or as a wedding gift by embroidering the initial capital letters of the bride and groom, and much more various perspective. You can make this onto your embroidered jewelry pendants, onto your cushion covers, pillow covers, to make them more funky, attractive and stylish. You can also make these very beautiful embroidery patterns onto your mobile cases, and similar is the scope when it goes wide beyond to your expectations. Like you can make these very beautiful for designing the dresses of your babies, like the initial capital letter with which the name of your baby starts. You can embroider that letter onto your baby's frock, shirt or any sort of fabric material they are going to wear. You can also make these very beautiful patterns onto your handkerchiefs, onto your fabric based tissue papers, and gift it to your loved ones. I hope that friends, my today's video is creative and it's stylish, and at the same time it is unique in its own style, and you are getting very stylish, trendy, amazing and beautiful ideas that how you can design your own face mask with the help of with the art of hand embroidery by just embroidering the initial capital letters of the person to whom you want to gift it, or to want the person for whom you are designing. Friends, not only this, you can get a wide variety of design ideas related to hand art, hand embroidery, in different patterns, different dimensions, different easy step by step. Even tutorials could also be seen on my channel. Go to my specific playlist, tutorials for beginners. There you can find a number of very easy to make step by step tutorials for beginners. If you are an absolute beginner, you don't know any type of hand embroidery stitch, then no need to worry about. You can learn all step by step embroidery stitches that are very easy, and they are absolute prerequisite for beginners. So friends, with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish, crazy and trendy ideas related to alphabet embroidery, and some unique trendy design ideas of hand embroidery, DIY mask embroidery patterns, and even you can embroider these very beautiful patterns onto your already in use fabric bags, handbags, clutch, purse, college bags, school bags, laptop bags, grocery bags, and whatever type of bag you carry. So stay blessed, stay happy, be positive, be a cause of positive motivation for others. Try to achieve your goals by remaining focused and motivated. And thank you so much for watching my today's content. And friend, the most important thing that I forgot to discuss with you is the embroidery thread. Which embroidery thread you can use to make all of these very beautiful and pretty patterns. The embroidery thread used for this purpose should be wool, anchor or DMC, because these are the worldwide known embroidery threads, and they go absolutely fine and well with the embroidery beginners as well. And the embroidery stitches that are being mostly used in the whole video are lazy daisy stitch, chain stitch, French knot, boolean knot, fishbone stitch, fly stitch, pinwheel stitch, Brazilian embroidery, Mexican embroidery, satin stitch, forward stitch. And these are some of the stitches that are most widely and commonly repeatedly being used in different manners with different color combination of threads. So I hope that my today's design ideas, my suggestions and my opinions are pretty much enough for you, and you have really liked my video and you have got very stylish ideas. So kindly try any one of your favorite design and let us know what were your experiences, and don't forget to comment below the video so that we could know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay focused, try to ease the hurdles of others so that your hurdles could be eased automatically.